the power of the hurricane. Extremely strong. Oh, we're just incredibly strong. Blowing over hurricane force. I can't stand here without leaning. Just incredible, incredible wind. Look over here. Look what the wind has done. It's pushed the boat up against the little causeway there over the intercoastal. The great white definitely getting battered up against that bridge, but I'm getting battered too. All right, it's let up a little bit here, but wow. That's some of the strongest wind I've ever had to stand in. We got another big blast coming here. It's coming right up the intercoastal. Just tremendous wind here from Wilma. Again, the time about 9:45. There you can look up the intercoastal a little ways and see some of the spray coming down. Whoa, Miami, hold on. It'll be over soon, but not right now.
Oh, unbelievable pictures, you know. And Jeff's been covering hurricanes for 12 years, and he said to me earlier today, never has a hurricane literally taken him off its feet. But with this, it really did. So thank you to Jeff and all our meteorologists, just giving us such an interesting perspective being out there live. Another perspective, still have wind gusts right now. Ocean City, 23-mile-per-hour gusts. Hatteras as well. And here's the look as we head toward marine advisories, and we're going to watch the storm move toward the northeast. Of course, we have Wilma moving north-northeast, but what we're going to watch is a coastal low develop. Coupled that with another area of low pressure pulling in from the west. So just it all coming together for storm warnings. What's a storm warning? How about sustained winds of 55 miles per hour from Eastport all the way south through Watch Hill, Rhode Island. And again, 55 miles per hour sustained gusts in the 60s and 70s. South of that, gale warning, sustained winds 39 miles per hour. Gusts in the 40s and 50s from Mauritius Inlet all the way south, you can see where, to Little River Inlet. So what a day it's going to be tomorrow. Incredibly tough travel in the northeast. I'm sure lots of delays, multi-hour delays. With this, we're also expecting 3 to 4 inches of rain. Now this is on top of a super saturated region. New York City, Worcester, Mass, Philadelphia, just to name a few places, already have seen their wettest October on record. Now let's factor in another 3 to 4 inches of rain. So flood watches thus are up. Merrimack River all the way south to the Currituck Beach Light in North Carolina. So again, flooding a huge concern. We're going to certainly see winds and heavy rain predominantly along the coast. That's where we're going to see the most intense weather. But even inland areas we're going to see weather. We're actually even going to see snow. Let's talk about a raw Tuesday tomorrow. Again, here's this nor'easter developing, taking its way north and northeastward from Portland, Maine to Boston, down to New York, west to Albany. Again, over 3 inches, locally even more than that. Mountain snow in the Adirondacks. Watching us maybe from the Catskills, Kingston, New York, Poughkeepsie, from Woodstock, maybe around the Adirondacks, Saranac Lake, Lake George. 6 to 10 inches of snow, even in the Green Mountains of Vermont. So this affecting so many and in so many different ways. 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts again. So Wilma's impact on New York State, for example, heavy rain through tomorrow evening, street flooding, again gusty north winds, and of course power outages because of that super saturated ground, and then bring in those strong winds, and that's the end of power. Paul?
We're going to have a closer look at her.